What's up, y'all? Check us out. Your boy out here riding, living dangerous. Now, my little Acura, 1998 Acura Legend. You know it only has, if y'all don't know, it only have 4 lugs on there, right? Now, do y'all know how many lugs or studs y'all need to have a car to put on a tire? Well, if you got a 4 lug, 5 lug, or 6 lug, you need all of them, right? That's what you think. Well, listen. Check this out. I only have 1 stud left on my wheel. Now, for the past few weeks, months, I had 2. Because I broke 2 of them off like a while ago. Long story short, they got hot and they fell off anyway. But now, like for the past couple days, I've been noticing like sounding like my tire about to fall off. And I thought maybe my tire about to go bad, but it's not the tire. It's the studs. Check this out. Check this out. Can y'all see us out there? Nothing. 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 1. Check that out now. 1 stud holding up my little tire. So, and I've been having to need to change it out, but they always said all you need is 1 or 2 studs to hold on. And I'm only on up down to 1 now, so I'm about to try to take my tire off. I'm gonna take it off. So I'm about to have to replace all 4 of them. So that's what I'm about to do. Got my lucky trusty jack here. About to try to jack it up and check it out. Alright, see y'all in a minute. Alright, I got the tire off. If y'all thought I was playing, see I only got 1 stud left. Check it out. And you can tell this the one had just fell off. You can tell how fresh it is. No, I mean this one I just, because these only 2 I had left was this one and this one still hanging on. Like I said, my car's a 1998, so. And look how fresh that is. You can tell it just happened. And you see how these been off for a while. See the rust on those? So you know I'm not lying. So alright. So next thing I think I gotta do is take the caliper off, I believe. Hold on. Do I need to take the caliper off, or do I need to take the whole drum off? I don't know. But alright, I think I might need a ½ inch or something. Let me see. No, that's not it. Let me see. It's not that one. Where is it? That's not it. Hold on, y'all. Let me get right. Alright, I think I'm using I think it's like a 10mm door last. Alright. Make sure it's the right one still. That's it. Put it on there. But that's the right way. Okay, that's the right way. And I get the top. No, I need 2 hands. Now I need 2 hands. So I'm gonna do it like that. And for some reason, the bottom bolt and the top bolt are 2 different ones. But I know why. Because I lost one of the bolts before. And I had to make do what I had. So I found one somewhere. And I used it. Okay, so there we go. So that one is a 12mm. So one's a 10, one's a 12. I need to remember that. Oh, wrong way. And I don't have the studs yet, but I want to make sure that I get it off before I make sure I know what I'm doing. Alright. Okay, they moving. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Alright. Now the caliber should pop off. Hey. Oh, what's that? Oh, okay. There we go. Dang. Okay. Oh no. Whole brakes fell off, guys. Ain't no big deal. Small thing to a giant. But they still good. Alright. That ain't no big deal. I ain't tripping. We can fix that. Alright. So I do need to take. Hold on. So I do need to take that off. So hold on, let me figure this out. I'll get back. Alright. Now the bolt for, let me see, can we see it? Hold on, let me get it right so we can see. Right. The sun is in the way. Hold on. The bolt, there you go. Too much sun. Right there is 11/16. So it's 11/16. So let's see what we do. Oh, and knowing good and well, this thing probably ain't been off in years, so I might need an extension on there. And this point in time, I probably need a brake bar. Nope, that's too long. I'm gonna use a little one. Use a little one that came with the little kit. But that should do it. Oh, okay, that's right, I forgot. I do have to turn the wheel. Hold on. Oh, snap, okay. Y'all see that? If y'all didn't see that, watch this. Check out, see the wheel move? Okay. Alright. Alright, that's enough playing around. Now, okay. Now, see if I can get it now while it's like that. Ooh, I see some oil or something falling up my joint. Oh, Jesus. Let me see something. So maybe I might better use the long one now. Because, it gave me a little fight. Jesus. Nah. I think I'm better off with the little one. No, it's always something. But it's all good. I'm gonna figure it out. Let me see. I know I do gotta take that off. So I'm gonna get with y'all when I figure out how to take this thing off. Alright, update. I had to pause what I was doing and call my homeboy, which is a mechanic, well, was a mechanic. He's teaching school now, but he's a certified mechanic. But I'm waiting on him because I got the right drill, or the right you know what I mean, socket, whatever you call it, but like an impact drill, so I can get this bolt right here loose, and I ain't trying to keep getting on it, so I can strip it. That right there, and then that one down there. So I'm waiting on him to pull up to bring me a tool so I can attack it. You know what I mean? So that's what it is. And, you know, and who I called, one of my homies that I've known for years and years. He's one of my 30 plus friends. You know what I mean? Like, I still got a few people I know for 30 plus years. But that's one right there that, you know what I mean? Like, when I just called him, I say, you know, I ain't money like that, but, you know, I call you when I really need your expertise on something, you know what I mean? Like I said, he's a mechanic. He all about that, but I want to call him first before I get too far ahead of myself and break something, end up, you know what I mean, mess something up. So, I'm waiting on him to come. So, I'm going to turn this back on when he get here. Alright, well, I'm back. And it's causing more trouble than I thought. Marcus finally showed up. He trying to do what he could do. But it's not no quick ring. YouTube ain't tell me I was gonna go through. I was looking at all different cars but mine. I should have looked at a damn 98 Acura.
Yeah.
Ah! Should tell me what those specs.
They had that on there.
Yeah, they probably know they did. But if they don't, they're gonna have one next time. If I ever get it right. Yeah, see, got that off. But too much play. We gotta figure out how to get this hub off so I can take this off. Cause see, these ain't gonna tap out. They ain't even moving. They're not moving at all. They seized in there. Couple cats. Somebody got shot the other day. Everybody doing little homies we know. And one they got shot from the dude. Well, both of them got shot, but one of them died. And our little homeboy, he got shot in the back end of the leg. And now he talking about, they say he couldn't feel his leg, but I don't know. But if they still in the hood doing that rah-rah bull job, I'm trying to tell them boys need to daggone grow. When that bitch come off, it's gonna be hard, easier to damn take off than that motherfucker going on.